All right, it is time to see how easy it is to assemble this mattress. First, we're going to look at the instructions. I was actually pleasantly surprised when I looked through this book. It's not confusing, has great picture details to it, seems straightforward. So we're going to get after it and see how well we do. So first of all, let's start with taking some of these items out of the box. All right, put that right there. Put this right here. Put this off the back. Oh. Alright, those are the corners, the end corners it looks like. Looks like this is the middle section here. Or, oh, not the middle section. I think I'm going to rotate it this way. Oh, that's looking right. Then we've got these end pieces here, where that's got a little notch in it. And that's got to slide in there. There we go. And that's going to do the same thing there. That's really slick. It's got a section for the bottom to catch onto here, and the top to catch onto there. Slide that piece over there. Slide that down. Nice. All right. It's coming together quite quickly. I'm pleasantly surprised by how quick this is coming together. Oh, just gotta find this one goes there. One goes there. Ah, take our time. First I gotta screw on the end here. Yep, that's them. Select 4 of them. This one already popped off because I didn't secure it. Not a problem. We'll do that. And we'll screw this in here. Take this one, do the same thing over here. Screw that on there. And then we got 2 more for each corner over here. I can already tell how nice the mattress is going to fit on top of this. I'm looking forward to getting my bed frame put back together. It's been a little too long sleeping on the floor for my preferences. Alright, so this one you just got to push down a little bit harder to get it started. And it should, yep, there it goes. Screws right on there. Alright, so it looks like we got a red top here, and a red and a red. So I'm going to, and we got arrows pointing down. So I'm going to assume that we put that in there like that, and push it down, just like that, and then same thing over here. Get that bottom section down. Get that bottom section down there. Push it in. Push it in. Nice. And then all we got is the 10. Take 10 slats to go here. And all of this is really nice and light aluminum. So none of it individually is very heavy. Now, if you're trying to carry the whole pack up the stairs, depending on your strength ability, you might not be able to carry the entire box up by yourself. But the really great thing is what you can do is you can take it piece by piece if that was something that you needed to do. So none of it by itself is very heavy. All together, it might be a little bit heavy depending on what your strength level is. Set these all out here. Space them out. out, make it a little bit easier for myself. Get one side going here, and then I'll go to the other, start feeding through that side. And I don't know, I feel like it's like been only 5 minutes or something like that. Not long at all. I wasn't sure what kind of a project I was getting into. All right, we got that side. Come over here. Just hit this side. Man, this is great. Oh, this one's a little bit trickier. There we go. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. Not too shabby at all. Oh, some of these just gotta be pushed back down. Not a problem. Probably doesn't help that I'm actually doing it on the mattress, which isn't a solid surface. But, I mean, that's pretty straightforward. And this is the top. So I'm gonna make sure, I know this in the instructions said it had a top and a bottom. So, okay, so that's bottom, this is top. I'm gonna find the zipper. Aha! There we go. There's the zipper. Again, this is the bottom. So, what I'm going to attempt to do, throw that over on that side. Since this is the top, start assembling this part here. Get this underneath there. Wrap that there. It's got a nice feel to it. Oh, beautiful. And then, just lift this up. Start zipping it up. I mean, come on now. Oh, yes, sir. Boom! Done. I mean, are you kidding me? We couldn't have been 10 minutes. It's fantastic. Really love the assembly. Nice and easy.